Hi guys, today on Cooking and Crumb we're making ashtray cakes. First up, we're making the fudge cake. We're mixing that, baking that for 25 minutes on a thin tray, letting that cool. Now we're making modeling chocolate, rolling that thinly, adding the white to the orange, dipping that into black powder. Now meringue. This is my leftover meringue from my swan cake video. We're just adding black powder, crushing that up in a plastic bag. Now it's time to assemble. First up we've got the fudge cake layer. Then we've got a homemade caramel, but you can use dulce de leche if you want. Then we're sprinkling that ash or meringue powder on top. Make sure it's all spread out evenly. And our final touch is those cigarettes we made earlier out of chocolate. Place them however you like on the cake. Just to let you know, this cake should be eaten the day you make it because that meringue will start to disintegrate. And take a bite of it. It looks so freaky, like a real cigarette cake. I hope you guys make this at home, and I hope you subscribe if you want to see more cake videos from me. This is Tamika from Cooking and Crumb.